Materials Development Using Multimedia. The Language Teacher's Digital Toolkit. Over the course of a 21st century career, language teachers will be required to develop a variety of multimedia materials for the digital classroom. Knowing which software to include in a teacher's toolkit can take years to learn. Often new teachers spend time learning free tools only to have them disappear, bought by a company wishing to make a profit. This module will introduce a comprehensive set of applications that will serve as useful starter tools for language teachers. The tools presented were chosen because they have been around for a while and are likely to endure. These applications are easy to learn for both teachers and students. In addition, there is no shortage of online resources for further training. YouTube is an excellent place to find tutorials for most of these applications. And the developers of the software have valuable information on their websites. All applications included are either free or very inexpensive. Teachers and students should always inquire about educational discounts for software. The savings can be substantial. The first and foremost set of tools for teachers to learn is the free suite of applications included in Google Accounts. Google has done a masterful job assembling well-integrated applications that communicate with each other seamlessly. Students and teachers have made wide use of these tools because they are easy to learn and are useful for educational purposes. Sometimes it can be difficult to understand exactly what free tools are included in Google Accounts. This module will attempt to demystify those tools and suggest others that would be most useful in developing multimedia materials for language learners. Google Accounts. Google Tools are a must-have for the development of digital learning materials. Google Accounts is a system that allows users to sign in once and gain access to a variety of free applications. Many of these products are time savers when working individually or collaborating on the development of learning materials. Some of the recommended tools are categorized by Google as Home and Office, which includes Google Drive, Sites, Calendar, and Gmail. Social, which includes Google+, Google Groups, and Blogger. Geo, which includes Google Earth. Specialized Search, which includes Google Scholar. Media, which includes YouTube and Picasa. Google Home and Office. Google Drive. Google Drive is a free web-based service that is the new home to Google Docs. Google Drive offers a suite of free tools that are similar to Microsoft Office. Users who are familiar with Office will find these tools easy to learn. Included are a word processor, a presentation tool much like PowerPoint, a spreadsheet application similar to Excel, and software that can be used to create forms for tests and polls. Google Drive provides 5 GB of free cloud data storage. Documents that are native to the Google format do not count in this quota. All of the Google applications can be used individually or as team collaboration tools for real-time document creation, editing, and sharing. Gmail. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. Gmail claims to have less spam, a more robust search feature than other email services, a built-in chat feature, mobile access, and 10 gigabytes of free storage. Once a Gmail account is created, users have access to all of the free applications included in Google accounts. Google Sites. Google Sites is a web page creation tool for building personal or collaborative websites. Multiple users can create, edit, and share ideas and files in real time on these sites. One Google account can have multiple sites, so teachers can dedicate different sites to specific subjects. Students find it easy to use Google Sites to create e-portfolios or to store and display course documents. This is particularly useful when students are required to collaborate on team projects. Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a free time management web application. Users can keep track of their own events and share their calendars with others. It is a valuable tool for managing personal and class schedules. The calendar is simple to use and powerful. Class emails can be generated and sent as reminders for each calendar event. Google Social. Google+. Google+ is a social networking service. It is unique compared to other social networks that are accessed through a single website. Google+ describes itself as an overarching social layer which covers many of its online products. Google+ allows for the creation of circles, which enables users to organize people into groups for sharing across various products and services. Google Groups. Google Groups is a free service that supports discussion groups based on common interests. Users can find existing discussion groups related to their interests and participate in threaded conversations through the web or through email. Users can also create new groups. Many of these groups are anonymous. Blogger. Blogger is Google's free tool for blog creation. Blogs are short weblogs that serve as online journals. Blogs are often published to update friends and family about one's life, to give advice, discuss political views, or share information among friends, colleagues, and subscribers. Blogs are usually published by a single author, but they can also be created by multiple contributors. Blogger can be used to make podcast feeds as well. Google Geo. Google Earth. Google Earth is a virtual globe, map, and geographical information program. It maps the Earth by the superimposition of images obtained from GIS 3D globe technology, aerial photography, and satellite imagery. A simple version of Google Earth is free, and many learning activities can be designed around this interesting application. Google Earth is also available as a browser plugin. This application has been downloaded more than 1 billion times. Google Specialized Search, Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a free web search engine that has a database of the full text of scholarly literature from a wide range of publishing formats and disciplines. The Google Scholar Index contains most peer-reviewed online journals from the largest scholarly publishers in Europe and America. It also includes scholarly books and journals that have not been peer-reviewed. Google Media. Google offers two other important tools that language teachers will need. They are YouTube for video editing and sharing, and Picasa for image editing and sharing. These products will be discussed in the following section. Graphics creation and image manipulation. Every digital toolkit must include a tool for creating graphics and for manipulating images. Teachers often have to create graphics from scratch or edit photos. Photoshop is very expensive, and many teachers need affordable alternatives. There are two very robust free tools that offer much of the functionality of Photoshop. GIMP. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is not a Google offering. GIMP is open source software and is available for most operating systems. According to the developers, GIMP strives to be a high-end, free software graphics application for the editing and creation of original images, photos, icons, graphical elements of web pages, and art for user interface elements. This is an excellent alternative for teachers on a tight budget. Similar to Photoshop, GIMP has a learning curve, but there are plenty of online tutorials to help users learn. GIMP provides the following functions: image retouching and editing, freeform drawing, resizing and cropping, photomontage creation, and file conversion between different image formats. Animated images such as GIF and MPEG files can be created using an animation plugin. Picasa. Picasa is free software included in Google accounts and categorized under Google Media. With Picasa, users can locate and organize all the photos present on their computer, edit and add effects to photos, create image galleries that can be embedded in other Google documents, and update web albums automatically. Picasa offers 1 GB of free storage space. Audio. Language teachers will spend a lot of time recording, editing, and remixing a multitude of sound files for video and audio output. This is a critical skill, and teachers need a tool that will operate in much the same way professional software works. Audacity. Audacity is a free open-source audio recorder and editor. The interface is intuitive, and it is easy to learn. Audacity can be used to record live audio, convert tapes and records into digital recordings or CDs, edit a wide variety of sound file formats, cut, copy, paste, or mix sounds, and change the speed or pitch of a recording. SoundCloud. SoundCloud allows users to record and distribute their own audio creations. Teachers can record lectures, and students can record presentations. Recordings can be easily archived. Audio creations can be distributed to Facebook and Twitter. In addition, files can be embedded in websites and submitted to iTunes. Video. Video plays a large role in language learning today, and teachers will need to know video creation and video editing software. Video applications can be pricey, so free or inexpensive alternatives are a welcome addition to the digital toolkit. Video editing tools can be complex, and finding user-friendly applications is important. Animoto. Animoto is not a Google offering. It is a web application that can be used to produce videos. Animoto processes photos, video clips, and music to generate videos similar to movie trailers. Many activities can be generated around the use of this valuable video production tool. Animoto provides free licenses to teachers for their students. YouTube Video Editor. YouTube is another free product included in Google accounts and classified under Google Media. This is a simple video editor that students and teachers will find user-friendly. It has a single-track timeline and a simple soundtrack feature. It includes basic transitions and video effects. Titles can be added, and the video processor is very fast. EduCreations. EduCreations consists of a recordable interactive whiteboard that can capture voice and handwriting. This allows teachers to produce video lessons that can be shared online. Students can replay lessons in any web browser or through an iPad app. There is a showcase of lessons teachers can view for ideas and inspiration. Screencasting. Screencasting involves capturing what is happening live on a computer screen. Screencasting software can record audio narration live, or audio can be added later. The term screencast is derived from screenshot. A screenshot is a still capture of what is on a computer screen. A screencast is a video capture of the movement on a computer screen. Screencasting software is not free, but it is inexpensive. This is an important tool for developing tutorials and other language learning materials. ScreenFlow. ScreenFlow from Telestream is screencasting and video editing software for the Mac. It records video, audio, and offers editing capabilities. ScreenFlow also includes the following: titles, annotations, callouts, video actions, highlights, and transitions. Camtasia. TechSmith's Camtasia Studio for Windows and Camtasia for Mac are also used for creating screencasts. The exact screen area to be captured can be specified in Camtasia. Audio can be recorded simultaneously or added later. Camtasia offers the same functionality as ScreenFlow. Jing. Jing is also a screencasting application that allows for the selection and capture of parts of a screen area. Jing can record still pictures or movies of what appears on the screen. Jing offers many of the same features as ScreenFlow and Camtasia. One feature that is unique to Jing is that it allows users to share files through Jing's image hosting solution. By clicking a Share button, Jing copies the link to the screen into the clipboard. That URL can then be shared. Brainstorming and concept mapping. Mind mapping or concept mapping is a valuable tool for teachers and students when brainstorming or organizing information. These maps can be used in a variety of lessons, projects, and activities for language learners. Therefore, it is important for teachers to know at least one mind mapping tool. Bubble.us. Bubble.us is a free online mapping product that is powered by Flash. It is very easy to learn, and bubbles are spawned simply by clicking on a node. The bubbles can be resized, color-coded, and moved around with ease. Zooming and fit tools are provided, and maps can be stored online. Inspiration. Inspiration is an inexpensive concept mapping application. It is a robust tool that allows for the insertion of a variety of graphics and shapes. A unique feature in Inspiration is that maps can be built from traditional outlines. This allows users to flip back and forth between the outline and the concept map. Virtual Learning Environments, VLEs. Digitally literate language teachers should be skilled at building student-centered language lessons in virtual environments. Much future language learning will take place in virtual and blended classrooms. Adobe Connect. Adobe Connect is a Flash-based collaboration tool that is rapidly becoming an industry standard. This software includes video conferencing capabilities, application and screen sharing, live polling, chat, whiteboards, and presentation tools. Breakout pods can be created so students can be divided into pairs or small groups. Learning how to use all of these tools synchronously in online teaching will be a valuable addition to any teacher's digital skill set. Second Life. Second Life is a 3D online virtual social world also known as a multi-user virtual environment, or MUVE. Users create and communicate through avatars. This can be an effective learning platform for language students. They can socialize, participate in individual and group activities, and create objects. Second Life is also becoming a popular environment for making videos called machinimas. These can be used in language instruction. More and more 3D learning environments are appearing, so it would be wise for teachers to learn to move in these spaces. Skype. Skype is a free voice-over internet protocol service and software application. Skype allows users to communicate by voice using a microphone, video by using a webcam, and instant messaging over the internet. Skype has also become popular as a synchronous teaching tool. It includes desktop sharing and conferencing tools. Its trouble-free connections and ease of use have made Skype popular among language teachers and students. Social media. Social media is rapidly becoming a tool of learning. Therefore, teachers need to prepare to build lessons around the media that occupies the time and minds of so many young people. Facebook. Facebook is a social networking service that has over 1 billion active users. More than half of these users access Facebook on mobile devices. This can be a powerful platform for building a language learning community. Blogger. As mentioned earlier, Blogger is a free blog publishing service included in Google accounts and classified under Google Social. It allows for private or multi-user blogs with time-stamped entries. Blogs can help to improve writing skills, and they can be used in collaborative writing projects. Twitter. Twitter is an online social networking and microblogging service that enables its users to send and read text-based messages of up to 140 characters, known as tweets. Some have used Twitter to teach vocabulary and idioms, among other things. Twitter has been one of the top 10 most visited websites on the Internet. Collaboration. Wikis. A wiki is a space on the web where students can share work and ideas, pictures, links, videos, and media. Wikispaces. Wikispaces is a free collaborative space. It provides a visual editor and other tools that make sharing fun and easy for students as well as teachers. PBWorks. PBWorks is a real-time collaborative editing system that offers a basic free version. This offers the same features as Wikispaces. Google Sites. The free Google Sites service included in Google accounts can also be used as a wiki creation tool. Sites can be created and edited in collaboration in the same way Wikispaces and PBWorks operate.